everyone, and welcome to another studio vlog. I'm filming over here because my camera battery was dead when I came to film, so it's plugged in. Anyway, as you just seen, on Monday I made my hold on, there's tractors going past. Hold on, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. They're past. Yeah, so on Monday I covered a glass cup in my sticker. And I was testing to see whether or not it was going to be waterproof. I mean, how waterproof kind of thing. You know, I wouldn't recommend submerging any stickers in water for a long period of time, and I really wouldn't recommend putting them in the dishwasher, but it is Friday. This is my cup, and it's still holding strong. And it's been in the dishwasher. It survived the dishwasher. I feel like I can see an air bubble behind it more now, so I'm not sure how well stuck it is to the cup. But, I mean, the colours are still amazing. It hasn't leaked any. So, it survived the dishwasher. So, definitely, I will be making all my die cut stickers with this lamination on top, which feels absolutely amazing as well. It's so soft and I don't know how to say it, kind of velvety, and just it's really, really nice. But my cup survived. I'm so happy. Thinking that when it does eventually die, because I do expect the sticker to, you know, start leaking and stuff like that, so I'm probably going to take the sticker off and I'll probably replace it with another sticker with the same lamination. I did put the sticker lamination through my laminator, as you've seen, so I'm not too sure how well it would go with just like sticking it on, but the laminator did actually crinkle a couple of them, so whether that's just me or I don't know, it's the laminator, we'll find out. Anyway, I got a few bits of Happy Mail from other people that have got autumn launches, so let's go and take a look. It's way too hot. So I got an order for a greeting card from Etsy. So let's make the card and pack it, shall we? While we pack this, I thought I would say that my Etsy store is actually being put on a payment reserve. It's seemingly quite common for new stores. So I have to do particular things. It's on a payment reserve. I think it's for like 3 months, 90 days, and I think it's only 30% I actually get, or 30% they keep, or something like that anyway. But one of the ways that you can seemingly kind of help kind of the process is to track your orders. So with this card, I will probably do a 24-hour tracked, no signature postage, which is going to cost me more money. But if I do that, then yeah, Etsy can see that I have paid and I've got a tracking number then, and it will hopefully help me release my Etsy payments, because it must be extremely frustrating for small businesses that don't really have much other income and they're trying to make something and they get a payment reserve from Etsy. But it is what it is. So rather than it costing £1.15 to post this greeting card, it's going to probably cost me about £3.30. Yeah, so it's something to kind of think of with Etsy. Of course, they obviously take off their fees and a percentage, all that kind of stuff, and then of course you've got this whole tracking thing, and nobody wants to pay £3.30 for an A5 size greeting card. Nobody wants to pay that. So it's not something I can really change on my store. So all those companies, all those small companies that sell mainly just stickers and stuff like that on their Etsy store, imagine having to pay £3.30 for a tracked 24-hour delivery for a few stickers. It's really not worth their time. So it's something I think Etsy really needs to look into, but it is what it is, like I said. But yeah, let's carry on with this greeting card. so that's the greeting card all packed. I'm probably going to end the vlog here because I'd like to, I mean, it's Friday the 8th. It's my wedding anniversary tomorrow. And my son is also moving into university accommodation tomorrow, so we've got quite a busy weekend. So yeah, like I said, I've had one order this week, which I'm absolutely delighted for. Thank you so much, Sebastian. And yeah, there's not much else to do. I'm just kind of waiting. I'm thinking about doing maybe like a giveaway or something on my Instagram for some autumn things. I know money's tight for a lot of people, and when it gets towards Christmas time and stuff like that, it also becomes extremely tight for everybody kind of thing. So, I mean, I've got 3 children. I mean, they're not all children anymore, but, you know, I know how tight things can get with children, family, houses, mortgages, all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I am just going to go and... I'm actually going away to go and play on my Xbox with my youngest son for a while, and probably chill out for the rest of the evening. Kind of have a meal with my middle child, and yeah, just a kind of quiet evening before tomorrow we're up and organised in moving carloads of stuff to university accommodation, all ready for James starting university on Monday. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you like this, please give it a like below. A comment would be great, and subscribe, and that would be wonderful. I'm so thank you. I've got over 100 subscribers now, and I'm absolutely delighted. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Honestly, every single like, comment and subscribe, follow, all that for small businesses is huge. And we all do a little happy dance every time it happens. Sorry, my camera battery died again. It's on to charge again. What did I get for trying to fit in so much stuff in a short space of time? Anyway, as I said, please like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you again next week for another studio vlog. Thanks a lot now. Bye!